Hey everybody, this is Ross's Tech and More, and I'm back with a new video today, and I have for you the Kodak Ektra. Now this phone, when it first came out, like about a year and 3 months ago, if I remember right, was a $400 plus phone. And on Amazon, they have it for $110 to $120, and they actually have it on the Walmart website for I believe like around $120 too. Um, Before I get it open and just give you guys some quick specs here. It has a 3000 milliamp battery. It's a 5-inch 1080 by 1920 screen with 441 pixels per inch, which is going to be a beautiful screen. It has 1.4 gigahertz Helio X20 processor with 3 gigabytes of RAM, 32 gigabytes of internal storage, and it is expandable, I believe, up to 128, and it has micro SD slot on it, and it is only a single SIM. It's not a dual SIM phone, and it's running Android 6.0, GSM unlocked phone. Now it has, with the camera and stuff, I'll talk more about that here as I get it opened up. But also on the bottom here, I don't know if you'll be able to see that really well, but it says Eastman Expert Enthusiast Ektra. The Kodak Ektra Smart Phone designed for all photographers from expert to enthusiast. Our founder, George Eastman, had a lifelong pursuit of making photography as convenient as the pencil. The pursuit he continued at Kodak and led us to the creation of the Ektra phone. Born out of our long heritage of delivering milestone events in photography, it's a camera LED smartphone that is beautiful, intuitive by nature. The benchmark of photo technology rises once again. Don't just capture, create. Now this is made for and distributed by Bullet Mobile, and they actually make phones. If you've ever heard of Caterpillar company, they actually made a phone for them. And I didn't get to see. I didn't read. I forget what I read, but they actually made some phones for some other companies. But I like the look here of the packaging. Pull that up. Take the phone out. See how we get this. Set that to the side. Now inside you get your SIM tool with your smartphone quick start guide, and then your limited warranty. And it comes with the USB Type-C, and it's hard to read on here, but this is supposed to be a very quick charging charger. And it comes with the lanyard, which is cool because that actually goes, if you want to, on the corner here. Take off the plastic. Now this has the 13 megapixel camera on the front, and on the back, I don't know if you can see that very well, but it says Kodak Ektra f2.0 aperture, 26.5 millimeter 6P lens, and then 20 megapixel 4K times 2K PDAF 6-axis optical stabilization. So now this back actually feels really nice. And it's I'd seen a couple videos on this before, but when they say this is a light feeling phone, it is very light. Like I'm like super surprised. Now in the front you have the camera, you have the flash, you have your speaker there. Top you have your 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. Like I said, it's Type C charging. And here's for when you're taking pictures. You tap it once, it won't do anything. You tap it twice, it'll go into your camera. Then you got your power button, volume up and down. And you look on the sides here. Actually, you can tell it's plastic on the sides, but just the look of it is just absolutely, absolutely beautiful. And from ride scene, I don't remember if it's this side or this side is where the actual speaker is. This whole thing isn't actual speaker. It's meant more for, when you're holding it for, if you're gaming, using it, or trying to take pictures. See if I'm missing anything. Now, for some of you that want NFC in your phone, if that is important to you, it does have connectivity options include Wi-Fi, GPS, Bluetooth, NFC, USB OTG, headphones, 3G and 4G with support for band 40. Which, if you live in India, that is a band you're gonna need. Now it has compass, magnetometer, proximity sensor, accelerometer, ambient light sensor, and gyroscope. So this is I am quite shocked, like I said, by how light this phone is. But like on the back, you can see it has the flash here and has the Kodak symbol there. I am going to go ahead and get this set up, and I'll probably do a video in about 72 hours or so, give my first full impressions, what I think, everything like that. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon. Peace.